Hello investors. When I was in holding, I found that all students are worthless. That hurt me. I informed my group mate and we found that everyone with this situation that students do not have occupation and parents are always wondering about their children's future. Parents always used to say, what can we do to our children to learn extra knowledge after class? So we come up with the idea of starting a business called Holiday Vacation Training for Students, which will take place there at Newtown. Our mission is to provide life and computer skills and service which include handcraft and music. Another thing is sport like basketball and volleyball to relax their mind. And we also need to introduce other preferred knowledge students will be needed to learn. This will benefit both parties, student and business, from the output that we'll be gaining. Moreover, our vision is to build self-confidence and self-learning to the future generation so that you can avoid that things that students are used to say, my dad, my mom, I need this and this. So that is not needed in our country. In contrast to our business, competitors are not trusted by the parents because they provide limited service concerned to the schoolwork and extra classes, like when the students are coming from school, they have something that they didn't understand, and those businesses are using to help them to understand well. So that's not what you want. This business is affordable to all parents who bring their students, where everyone will pay 50,000 per vacation, while our competitor charge them 70,000 per vacation. Surely we have 5,100 so that you can still need 1,970,000 in order to have the total of 2,470,000 to start and operate our business. Not only starting and operate, but also we need to buy other equipment so that we can satisfy our customers' needs. So we are calling upon you investors to come and invest in our business because we will make a profit of 5% per month according to the amount of money that you are investing in our business. In addition, all students, investors will receive 10% of deduction of the service that will be provided in our business. Please, let's join and invest in the right place to our students to build the bright future for our students. In addition, for more information, my name is Ms. Seneza Wazim, and you can call me on 0725151192, and in order to add, call me please. Thank you.